What's up, YouTube? It is XboxFreak401. Today we are going to be playing Demolition on Berlin Wall. We have Tyler in here. You all know Tyler. We might be doing a dual commentary tonight. We do not know yet. We're going to have to see how things work out. But yeah, today I'm going to be using the, what do I want to use? We'll use the stoner. Looks like we're going to be defending first. So let's see, I'm going to run this way. There's a guy back there. I hear somebody shooting their gun already. Run through this little bar area. There's a guy. Oh man, frag, get in here. Damn, wow, they had a guy camping at that window. That's alright though. Let's see, we're gonna try to run back up in this area. I see Tyler. Is Tyler up here? Yep, there's Tyler. Knife him. Let's see, we're gonna... Man, A is already planted. We're gonna go try to defuse A. Oh, don't let me die. Thank you. Wow, I was like at the door and he like saw through the door, I guess. Not doing so hot. It looks like they're gonna get A. There he is over in the window. I got him. Alright, A is gone. Now we got 5 extra minutes. Let's hope we watch A a little more carefully than we did B. My bad, other way around. Watch B more better than A, and they already have it planted. Alright, hold on. I don't know why that guy isn't defusing. I'm gonna go for the retard defuse. Am I gonna get it? Am I gonna get it? Oh, clutch mode, I defused. Oh, and when I'm getting shot, another guy's gonna go plant. I hope they saw that.
Our spy planes in the air.
If they didn't, they're blind. Oh! They already planted it again. Oh man, they're calling mortars over B. Wow, did you guys see that? I was mowing him down. Alright, we're gonna rush B. So hopefully we can get it back. Just exchanging of the semtexes. A guy over there. I'm gonna go in for the retard defuse. Oh wait, teammate's already defusing. Yeah, oh, miracle frag. Tyler's on the bottom 2 and 2. He's doing okay though. He's not a big fan of Demolition, so I can't really get mad at him if he hasn't played Demo a lot. Oh, spray. Man, nobody's gotten that care package. I'm gonna run over here and see what the situation is with this. Get him! Oh! That fag with the hot lady is his player card. Hot virtual lady. Okay, we're still doing good defending B. There's a guy in here. I saw him. Killed my teammate. Oh, he's planting his tack. And I'm gonna watch it. Haha! Yeah, get pooped on. Pick up the G11. Not a terrible weapon. About one of my top guns. There's a guy in here. Oh, let me get him, Yeah, I got him. Owning with this G11. I'm gonna run out. Oh, Claymore! He's gonna end up getting a dub kill. So I followed Tyler up in the building. Oh, we got a spy plane. Not bad. Oh, 2 spy planes. 2 is always better than 1. So I'm gonna watch B over here. There's a guy about ready to pop through there. Toss a Semtex over there. There he is, got him with the headshot. And 75 plus assist. Got him. Oh, let me lie down so I don't get shot and killed. Looks like the teammate got him. Can I get that guy as he tries to run through? Ooh, we're gonna pick up the Galil here. Pretty good looking gun. Don't let me get killed by the frag. I'm only 1 away from getting a care package. Wait for somebody to run through. Yeah, got him. That was just a random spray too. Alright, here we're gonna call in the care package. Go dance around on above it like a 360 dolphin dive. We'll see what we get. If I don't get anything good, I'll change it because I have Hardline Pro. There it is. What do we get? Oh, a spy plane. Won't do. I'll take a Valkyrie rocket instead. There's a guy coming over here. Oh god, there's two people. Ah, I couldn't get him with the spray. Alright, I'm gonna run up in here. Call in my Valkyrie. I'm gonna use it kind of like a Predator missile from Modern Warfare 2. And we're gonna do a little arch. Come down like a Predator missile. Over this. What? This guy looking at me weird. Watch out. What the? Okay. Did you guys see that? I don't even know what happened. Whatever. Ah, I tried to get the spray. Okay, there's only 1:20 left in this game. Well, the first round. Let's hopefully we can end up second round a little quicker than the first. Commando suppress, not bad. Pull out a Kobe Bryant. Didn't get nobody.
Friendly spy plane inbound. Cobra on the way.
Oh, Tyler already getting in an attack copter. Sirens are go up. Somebody wrecked in the no-dan land. Come on. This guy over there gonna probably rush over here, so I'm gonna lie down. Oh wow, where's he gonna get me? Ah! They came out of that building. We gotta go to B now, cause they're gonna rush B. Oh, now they're spawn camping. Come on, don't lose in the last 30 seconds. I'm gonna change Tyler's care package for him. Change the form. Man, they are all over B. Watching, yay, we won first round. Came back from losing round 1 to winning round 2. A Miracle Nade is the final kill. He's gonna learn to look some C4. Man, what a lot. What is he doing? Who uses C4 anymore? Because I sure know I don't. Oh no, the camera! Stupid tripod. I'm gonna change this guy's care package for him because I'm a good teammate. I'm gonna knife him. Wait, that was an attack copter. I thought it was a gunship. I wasn't gonna change it then. I'm gonna go for A this time. Oh, we already got B.
On the way. Friendly care package on the way.
Planting A. Oh wow, guy in second chance didn't even know I was almost done planting A too. I was like a second away. Don't worry, he's called it over A, so I'm pretty sure we're good to plant A. Finally we kill that guy in last stand. Wow, I get quick scoped. I hope not. Okay, good thing I was hard scoped. Man, now we cannot get a single plant in. Where'd that guy go? I'm gonna watch A. I'm gonna go for it. Oh man, guys are getting picked off left and right by that sniper. I don't even know where he's at. He can't get me if I'm inside though. Alright. Planting A. Let's hope my teammates cover me. Yeah, we planted A, so I'm gonna wait at A. Just to make sure I get A.
The bomb has been planted.
Yeah, we got both bombs planted. Man, he got me from the inside. I hope he doesn't get A. Some of us are at A, some of us are at B. Let's try to keep it.
Enemy spy plane above.
I just got tomahawks from about 100 feet away. Looks like we're gonna get A. Got A. Are we gonna get B? Flawless game of Demolition, guys. That'll be the end of this video. Like I said, I hope to receive a package in the mail this week, so maybe we'll be an unboxing of that. There's more videos to come, so please subscribe, like, and favorite.